गोंयांक एक व्हड संस्कृतीक दायज आसा आनी ताचोच एक बाटो म्हटल्यार गोंयचे लोकनाच। म्हाका सदांच उमळशीक आशिल्ली आमच्या गोंयच्या सामान्य लोकांक ह्या नाचा विशीं कितें खबर आसा काय। आयज म्हाका ती संद मेळ्ळ्या। चलात तर विचारुया ह्या गोंयच्या सामान्य लोकांक गोंयान कसले कसले लोकनाच आसात ते।
There are so many types of dance. That is one called Dhalo. Kunbi dance. Kunbi dance.
It's a Kunbi dance.
Dance is a Kunbi dance, no?
Fugdi.
Western style dance.
कुणबी तांचे कुणबी डान्स असता माणे मागीर त्यो धालो
Actually सांगूंक जावचें ना.
फोक डान्स न्हू
I don't know the name. Sorry.
कुणबी डान्स
Dhalo is celebrated as a part of Earth Mother's worship, and that's why the heap of mud, which is decorated with wild flowers or leaves, and they are singing various songs praising their Earth Mother.
देवाच्या देवरामाने येताना सांगितला दिला लिखित कुंकवाचा गे दिला लिखित फुलाचा गे.
Dhalo is the word which is used for swaying, bending, forward, backward, side. The singing is so powerful because it is come from their own soul. The songs include songs related to their family life, mainly their personal life, their griefs, their sorrows, their difficulties, their happiness, and the various memories those cherished by them, and those are presented through songs.
आदिनगे गौऱ्या घरच्या देवा चल जरता आदिनगे गौऱ्या आड्या गंध पालदेवाचा नंद आड्या वाटेल्या गंध पालदेवाचा नंद पानाचे पान बोरे पानाचे पान बोरे अंगानी निटयालो अंगानी.
When they change their place, then that is called Hati Partuap, Hati Badalap, and that time they also form a circle. Then onwards they dance in the circle. The various types of fugdi is performed.
Instruments म्हणजे ढोलकी.
They like a gumat. They call with gumat. The gumat.
तबले घुमट.
Like drums, no? Some percussion thing, but no.
ती तांची घुमटा स्पेशालिटी.
नो सॉरी नो.
घुमट तासो
टपले आणि घुमट.
आमकां गोंयच्या लोकवाद्यांची वळख घडली. अजापाची गजाल म्हळ्यार असो एक नाच आसा जातून भितर ह्या वाद्यांचो वापर जायना आनी तो नाच म्हळ्यार फुगडी. गोंयकार बायलां हो नाच खेळटात आनी जो नाच ती करतात तो आपल्या हातांच्यो ताळयो पेटोवन ती करतात.
So they always sing and dance to the beats of their own claps. Kalshi Fugdi is not different from Fugdi. It is a one pattern. Holding Kalshi, they go on dancing, and actually they blow into that pitcher. There is a special significance for this. Here, the pitcher, water pitcher, is a symbol of and they blow into that. That means they put soul to it. That's why it is the whole Dhalo festival is closely related to the fertility cult.
ह्या समाजातल्या लग्नविधी तसेच चालपरबां विशीं जाणून घेवया.
आमचे काजार म्हणजे अशें आमचे जाणटेले एक 5 जाण वयता आनी ते दुसरी गांवां वयता आनी उलयता तेंचे कडेन कोणाली चेडूं आसा जाल्यार तेजे कडेन वचून हें करप दिवपाचें आसा कितें अशें करून विचारप.
A Velip could marry a Velip and Velip could marry also a Gowda. There's no issue because they all belong to the same stock.
तर हो आशिल्लो गोंयकार कुणबी समाज आनी अशे तरेन आमी गोंयकार ह्या कार्यावळीचो भाग हांगासर सोंपता. वचे पयलीं इतकेंच सांगूंक सोदतां, गोंयच्या गिरेस्त लोकसंस्कृती दायजाची वळख आमच्या माणकुल्या भुरग्यांक आमी करून दिवया. तेन्नाच आमची वळख सासणाकाळ आनी सदाकाळ उरतली.
My name is Mahin Milind Mahali. I am a student from Dayanand High School, Shillong. I study in Standard 9. Today we had a nice lecture on folk dances of Goa. I didn't know much information about the dances in Goa, but I knew some. Today I got a lot of knowledge and which will help me in my future. Thank you.